Hi students. The request was made to learn how to strum reggae style. That's off the beat. When you have a downbeat, like 1, 2, 3, 4, the ukulele will go 1, 2, and 3, 2, and 2, and. To make it happen though, I'm going to play bass, and I'm also going to play, I have a little drum machine to lay down a few measures of the bass line. We're talking about Stir It Up. It's the piece in question here by Bob Marley, a very popular reggae standard. And so at this tempo, I'm going to record the bass line, and then I'm going to re-record playing ukulele on top of it, so you can see how the puzzle piece kind of comes together. So I'm going to give it a start, like a countdown, so it's a clean entrance on your part. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. By the way, the drum machine is kind of a toy. But it's functional. It works. All right, let's try that.